Greetings from Singapore. I'm now at Singapore Expo. There's some kind of furniture and renovation kind of exhibition right here at Expo. Just go and check it out. A lot of customers are trying the bed, you know. They have the sample beds here and different brand. Dr. Massive home. Oh, this orthopedic is good for the bones, you mean? Let's just see and try. It's really comfortable. Magic coil, individual barrel pocket spring mattress. 118 for the queen. Oh, look at that, man. $99 mattress offer. It's a bit heavy to carry though. I think you need 2 persons to carry that. All these beds, they look really thick, man. There's a thick one and then there's a thin one. Antimicrobial protection. Hey, that is a lion, right? I mean, this is a furniture side, but it looks so cute. I just have to come here and show his head, man. So look at this, queen size, about $799, and there's a whole stretch of like the mattress with the 3-zoning individual pocket, the spring $899. Number next on the list. Oh, you scan me, man. United Kingdom 1919. This is more softer. I have the Sleep Night, different brands. 4-star, King Koi. King Koi is a very branded star, man. I wonder how come there's not much customer right now. Sleep Night. From Singapore. I'm so good at sleeping, I can do it with my eyes closed. I think if you don't care about the stuff, you can just lie down and sleep unless they call the police, and I think that's another issue. And right here we have another 4-star. That's a single bed, right? And this one is a double bed. Well, Mr. German Sofa Master. Oh, they have a lot of like signs to it, man. Right here. There's a safe here as well. This is more the renovation side already. There's some carpet here as well, man. It's just so amazing. Hey, look at that, man. There's a pop-up bed, right? Greenscape. You can actually put your stuff underneath there. And look at this, a teakwood sofa, $1399. Ilanga USA since 1894. Never heard of the brand, man. But it's a good move to come here. And the furniture, sofa and stuff is all here. 1590999. We're approaching the furniture zone right now. I didn't know Expo has a exhibition on beds, you know. It's like a bit out of my imagination, because normally when people buy bed, right, they go to like IKEA, Courts, all those places in your neighborhood. Anyway, there's some colorful beds over there. And you hear the furniture. Maybe walking here is good because the staff get to relax, man. No customer right now. Look at that, you can put a lot of stuff there. And here will be some kind of interior design stuff. I mean, those stuff inside the kitchen, even the toilet seat, man, in the bidet. Look at the water. 1199. So the prices is generally about 1000 even for the sofa, right? This one. Wow. I think it's nice. Try the other one. I prefer the first one more. By the way, you know, in the Expo, right, it's a bit cold. Just bring extra shirt or t-shirt, you know. The customer are trying the wigs. This is with the interior design portion. Wow. Wind. Wall panel.